What's up, tech lovers? Today, we're diving into an exciting chipset showdown between the Vivo V40 Pro and the Infinix Z40, two powerhouse smartphones with impressive specs. But which one dominates in performance, gaming, and efficiency? Let's find out. Section 1. Design and display. Before we get into the raw power, let's talk about the design. The Vivo V40 Pro boasts a premium glass build with curved edges, while the Infinix Z40 offers a sleek but slightly more affordable design. Both phones sport AMOLED displays with 120Hz refresh rates, ensuring buttery smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. But the real battle is inside. Section 2. Chipset breakdown. Now let's talk about the real MVPs, the chipsets. The Vivo V40 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200+, featuring a Cortex-X3 core clocked at 3.35 GHz and an Immortalis G715 GPU. Meanwhile, the Infinix Z40 comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, running a Cortex-A78 at 3.1 GHz and a Mali G610 GPU. On paper, the Dimensity 9200 Plus is a flagship-level chipset, offering better performance, AI enhancements, and better power efficiency compared to the 8200 Ultimate. But how does that translate to real-world usage? Let's test it. Section 3. Gaming and performance test. For gaming, both devices perform well, but there's a clear winner. The Vivo V40 Pro runs high-end games on ultra settings with stable frame rates, thanks to its higher clock speed and advanced GPU. Meanwhile, the Infinix Z40 handles gaming smoothly, but you might need to tweak settings for optimal performance. In terms of heat management, the Vivo V40 Pro's advanced cooling system keeps temperatures lower during extended gaming sessions. The Z40 does get warmer, but still manages heat decently. Section 4. Battery and efficiency. Battery efficiency is crucial, and both phones come with 5000 mAh batteries. However, thanks to the 4nm architecture of the Dimensity 9200 Plus, the Vivo V40 Pro lasts longer on intensive tasks. Plus, it supports 100W fast charging, whereas the Infinix Z40 caps at 68W. Section 5. AI and camera performance. While this is a chipset showdown, AI performance matters too. The Dimensity 9200 Plus enables better AI-driven enhancements in camera processing, night mode, and object recognition. If photography is your thing, the Vivo V40 Pro delivers better image optimization and faster processing. Section 6. Price comparison. Now let's talk price. The Vivo V40 Pro comes in at around $799, placing it in the premium category. Meanwhile, the Infinix Z40 is priced at a more budget-friendly $499, making it a strong contender for those looking for great performance without breaking the bank. So, which one should you choose? If you want flagship performance, better gaming, and longer battery efficiency, the Vivo V40 Pro is the clear winner. But if you're on a budget and still want solid performance, the Infinix Z40 is a great mid-range option. What do you think about this showdown? Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech battles. See you in the next one.